Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about this video. I realized I'm very behind with my lineup videos, and so I wanted to film this because let's start with the first one. My first kit I actually already started laying down before I did this video, and so because of that I realized I need to do this video. I was trying to get ahead for December. My aim for December is to have 2 or 3 videos go up every single week. I just wanted to do a couple more videos this month. I just thought it would be kind of fun to just kind of do extra ones during like the Holly Jolly season. I know a couple years ago I did a lot of videos for July for like my birthday, but July was pretty packed, even though December is looking packed too, but you know, I've already committed, so here we go. I want to do extra videos and I was trying to get ahead on my plan with me's, and I'm so far behind that I forgot that October kits. I hadn't done an October kit lineup, so this will be my lineup. I'm super excited to share with you guys. Hopefully that car's not super loud. Don't they know I'm recording a planner video? Like, don't they know? So the first kit I have started using is from Pink Diamond Planner Co. as well, and I'll pop up a picture of it on the screen so you can see it. But it's a beautiful kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I think it's called like Autumn in the City. It was a mystery kit. It's stunning. I was so excited when I received it because it was right before we were heading out on our trip to Chicago. So I actually did go to Chicago the first week in October, and it was so lovely. Like, I get to see my family, which is so nice, and my boyfriend got to come with me and he got to meet my grandmother, and it was just like a beautiful trip, and I really wanted something special to commemorate that. It was also like the start of a new chapter. I think I've talked about this a little bit, but my boyfriend started a new job in October, and so that was actually the week that he started his new job. It was just a very exciting week overall, and so I wanted a very special kit to remember that. And so that kit ended up being super perfect for that, and I used like the gold foil bundle that came with it as well from Pink Diamond Planner Co. So that was kit number 1. This is for the second week. So here we go. So this is called Fall Cabin. I believe this art actually came out last year. This is a older Pink Diamond Planner Co. kit, but I just really liked it, and I didn't have a room for it last year in my lineup, but I did this year, and so I wanted to bring it in. It just gives me so like fall cozy vibes. I was really into fall this year. You guys know I am a newer fall lover, and so I really wanted to incorporate that into my planner. I just think that these colors are so warm and cozy. They just make me happy. They just look like maple syrup and pumpkin spice. Like, it just looks so fun. I love this deco. We got like a s'mores board. The colors are just so like cozy and warm, and it's making me happy. I like this pattern as well. It's just, we got like a knit pattern. Like, that's such a cozy box. I just love it. And I got the mini kit. I don't know if I said that at the beginning, but this is the mini kit format. And so with Tasha's kits, I usually pick up the mini kit unless it's the mystery, which I want the epic because I want everything. I want everything from the mystery. But for regular kits, I'll pick up the mini, and then I'll pick up this label add-on just to kind of fill it out, because I feel like those two make like the perfect spread. It's just enough stickers for me. Like, I don't really have any leftovers. It's just perfect. And then I picked up the 15mm because I like to do that and kind of do the split washi. Then I decided to mix this with gold. I thought that would be nice. So I thought I had these from forever ago, I think. And so I just brought these in because it's like some date dots and some icons from Scribble Prints Co. And then I also thought what would be nice is, I guess I should have put a spoiler, but honestly, by the time this goes up, it's like, well, maybe not. Okay, so maybe there would have already been a spoiler. I have to do this in my editing, but this is the mystery, well, no, the Advent from Scribble Prints Co. And I feel like everyone's seen it by now, but now thinking about it, it is like just the beginning of December, and so maybe you really have self-control and you've waited. And so if you have, like, I'm so sorry, I would not want to spoil it for you, but if you're like me and you don't have any self-control, you already know what this is. So this is the tartan underlays, which I thought would be really cute with this like cozy fall kit. You can see there's like a little tartan pattern on like the blanket, and you can see it here too. Like, it's in the kit like very lightly, which I thought would be nice, and like it just gives me like fall feels, and I think gold would be really pretty with this kit as well. So that's what I ended up doing. I obviously have a lot of other gold things that I'll pull in, but I thought these underlays would be fun to use, and I was really excited to try these out from the Advent. So that is the second week of October. I forgot what month it was, just a momentary brain fart. So the third week is actually the week of me and my boyfriend's anniversary. So anyways, if you've been following my channel, you would know that I've been going through it looking for a kit for me and my boyfriend's anniversary. I wanted something fall, but I also wanted something romantic, but I didn't want something too girly. And I was having a hard time because I didn't know what to pick, because I wanted to be perfect, and it's like, I don't know why I felt like it needed to be perfect, but I did. And so I was looking really hard for something, and I settled on this kit. This is older art. This came out last year as well, and I didn't end up picking it up, but I like, now looking at it, it is actually perfect. Like when I first picked it, I was kind of like, oh, like it's fine. But the more I think about it, the more it actually like is perfect for like the two of us. We don't have like a couple in here that like looks like us or anything. I mean, I guess this could be me, but this like doesn't look like my boyfriend. But like the vibe I feel like is, because it's kind of like a old English like style kit, and it's like a fall old English kit. And me and my boyfriend always kind of joke about how we're both like he's a grandpa and like I'm a grandma, and so like we're perfect for each other because like we both like cozy things, we both are homebodies, we both like to like have a nice evening in, and that's not usually like what people like to do in their like 20s. That's not usually like the vibe, but that's our vibe. And so yeah, I just think that is kind of sweet. And like we have done like a couple of picnics like since we've been dating, which is nice. My boyfriend loves tea, like, and I give him so much sass about his tea drinking. And so I just think this actually is like the perfect kit for us, and I'm really happy I picked it up. So all is well that ends well. But yeah, this is the kit I ended up picking, and it's just perfect. We had like such a beautiful like anniversary weekend, so I'm really happy that I have a beautiful kit to mark that. So I just really like it. It's also Kidness Girl dress art, which you guys know I love Kidness Girl dress art. Like, can't tell me anything otherwise. I just think that like her art is top notch. Like this doll box is super cute, super cozy. I love the colors. It's fall, but like a little bit of a twist, a little something different. Yeah, and we've got like the bread with the jam and everything, the tea everywhere, the cozy sweaters, the yarn. At one point I did try and knit him a scarf. I stopped that, but I did try during quarantine, so it was kind of cute. This mint is super pretty. Like the colors are stunning. I'm really happy. Like the more that I look at this, the happier I am that I ended up picking up this kit, and I can't wait to like make this spread. We got all the boxes with the solid colors, stunning. And I like that it's not like super feminine leaning. I like to kind of try and do that sometimes when I do kits that are like about the two of us, because my planner leans very feminine, but sometimes I don't care. But it's kind of nice for this one. I love like the flowers. I just think this is really pretty. And then we've got this really beautiful box, which is gonna look perfect with a quote on top of it. And then I will show you what I picked up in terms of like quotes and like additional boxes. So besides these boxes, it also comes with these like alternate skin tone girls for this girl, but I probably will use this one since it looks like me and it's about our anniversary. But this is also the week that the Taylor Swift album came out, so my fellow Swifties will understand how conflicted I was, because I kind of wanted like something Taylor Swift because I was really excited about this, but also it's our anniversary, so like it had to be mostly about me and my boyfriend. So I settled with bringing in these Taylor Swift quotes from Planet Hannah, because I could just kind of put them on top and make it like, you know, part of the vibe and the energy. And like I picked like some more like lover quotes or like love quotes, so that would go with me and my boyfriend. Also, like if you are a Taylor Swift fan, like let me know down below, like what do you think of the new album, because I love it. And also, like, were you involved with the just hot mess of getting tickets for the Taylor Swift Eras Tour? And like, what are your thoughts about the Eras Tour? Do you have like hot takes, or do you have like ideas of what you think it's gonna be like? Because I want to talk about it. anyways, like my TikTok For You page is just like Taylor Swift, and I really need to knock it off so that I have other things to talk about. But anyways, this is like the Taylor, I think it's Taylor 3 quotes, but it's like more like love quotes. Some of them are more like sad, or they like have different themes, and these ones are more like lovey-dovey, and I thought this would be cute. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, but I like these. So excited, and I decided to use gold. I don't think I said that, but I decided to use gold with this kit. I think you could use something else with this kit. Like, you definitely could have done like one of the like matte colors. Like, you could do matte silver, that'd be really pretty. Matte bronze, I think would be really nice. I don't tend to like gravitate towards those colors. I know they're really popular, but this doesn't tend to be like my gravitation. I just got tongue-tied over my words because I was looking at this candle, and the scent is Leaves, and Leaves is my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works, so I just got confused. But anyways, I don't tend to lean towards those like matte silver, matte bronzes. When I have them in my collection, then I will use them, but like I tend to go for like, you guys know I love gold, especially in the fall, like fall, winter. I'm a gold gal through and through. In the summer, let's be real, all year round, I'm a gold gal, except for maybe the winter. In the winter, I try, and I'll be like sparkly hollow all day. But for the most part, I love gold, and I just feel like it's like such a pop. But I do think like a matte bronze, satin taupe, like those kind of colors would look really good with this. Even like a matte silver. I don't know if like a silvery silver would actually look that hot. Like a matte silver, I think would look really cute with this. So if I was to do this over, maybe I would try that. But I just assumed that I would use gold in our anniversary kit because it's more, when I think of fall, I think of gold, and like when I think of like fall with like pizzazz, I think gold, and that's what I wanted for our anniversary kit. So that's why I picked this up in gold before I even picked what kit I was going to use. So basically I committed to gold very far in advance. And then also I have this like extra boxes from that like anniversary slash New Year's kit, which I thought could be kind of fun. I don't know if I'll end up putting this in. I used this kit for Valentine's Day, but I feel like the colors are like kind of muted, so like maybe it will look okay. Let me know what you think down below, because I haven't actually done this spread yet, well obviously, but I have like a couple of spreads before this that I'm still working on, so I probably won't have it done by the time you watch it. So like having your opinion would be super helpful if you have thoughts. I feel like it might be too much. It's like light enough, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. But I just brought this just in case. And then yes, I'm pairing it with this gold leaf foil bundle from Girlfriend's Co. I just thought it would be super cute with the kit. Yeah, and then it matches nicely with the Plain Hannah gold too. So that is the 3rd week. The 4th week, I'm using this mini kit that I got. So I think this is a like Misfit random pull of some sort, because I definitely didn't pick this kit. I got it some time ago from Girlfriend's Co. I think I mentioned that the other kit was also from Girlfriend's Co. Maybe I didn't. This is called Cozy Cafe. I got this as a Misfit, and to be honest, I wasn't the biggest fan. I definitely tried to like trade it or sell it, and that didn't really work out. Oh wait, what is this? Okay, did I not even go through this? Okay, well I definitely tried to, oh maybe that's the Misfit part. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, so I definitely tried to trade it slash sell it, and like that did not happen. And so I still have this kit, and as you guys know, I've been trying to use up, sorry for shaking the camera, I'm so sorry, but I've been trying to use up the kits in my collection. And so this is a kit in my collection. It gives fall feels because of the browns, and so I'm using it basically is what's happening, and we're gonna make it cute. I don't know, it just like doesn't super speak to me, but you know, sometimes you look at a kit and it's like, when you see it, but then when you put it down, it's nice. So we're gonna hope that's what happens. But yeah, I think this is the Misfit of it. So you see this page has more of the nude colored, and then this is more of like a pinky blush. I think there's like a color variant, and that's what the Misfit is, which is so funny because I feel like 9 times out of 10 when I get a Misfit from Andrea, like I don't see a Misfit, like there's literally nothing wrong with it, and I don't know, it just feels like I've gotten something on a deal. But this is the first time where I actually think there's a Misfit. But honestly, it's like a blushy pink, and blush pink kind of goes with you know, that's a plain or neutral, as you guys know. So it'll be fine. I thought gold would look nice with it. I feel like you could do rose gold, but there's like gold in the full boxes, which I thought I could kind of pull out. So we'll see. Yeah, so it's not my favorite, but I think I could still make it cute. So let's see. These kind of like more beigey colors as well. We're gonna make it pop. Maybe what I need to do, now that I'm looking at it even in closer depth, maybe what I need to do is not use gold, but like use something that would make it pop more, like a color that would make it stand out. I guess you could do like black. But honestly, I don't really want to do black. I think I still am going to use gold, but I do think this might be an occasion where it would be nice to like bring in another color to kind of give it a little more oomph, because I'm worried it's going to be kind of all one tone. Like it'll be all kind of beige, because like these are kind of like browns and beiges, and then I'm using gold, which is like more of like a brownier color. Do you know what I'm saying? We'll see. I feel like this is the only one that's like kind of subject to change. Like we shall see what happens here. But that was my idea for October. These are going to be probably my kits for October. Let me know down below if we are using any of the same ones. I would love to know if we are twinning, or if you have any ideas about any of my spreads. I guess I've literally used gold for every single week in October, which some might say is too much, but maybe it's just enough, because I do love gold in the fall, so I think it'll be good. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day when you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye, friends.